Hey, Dave Brown here. Before we get the video started, I just wanted to let you know I was doing some editing and on the video and realized I made a bunch of mistakes. And so I thought, given the spirit of all the staying at home, we need a little levity. So enjoy the video, and at the end I added some bloopers, and enjoy a good laugh on me. Take care, stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.
Hi, this is David Brown at TechBrite. Thanks for all the kind emails and phone calls asking about how TechBrite is doing. First, our employees are safe. We have taken numerous precautions for our team members in the plant, and they're doing well. The office employees are all working remotely. I snuck in on the weekend to do this short video, but all in all, we are good. Thanks for asking. You know, when this virus hit, we made a strategic decision to go all in on building stock for our quick ship orders so that we could continue to take care of you, our customer. So keep those orders coming. We're ready. One of the things that helped us keep our stock levels high is that the majority of the products that we make are assembled right here in Cincinnati. Most of the manufacturing partners are US-based companies. This allows us better control over our supply chain. And since we're not on the road visiting all of you like we would like, we had a little extra time on our hands, so we produced a new catalog showcasing some of our assembled in the US products and our BAA compliant products. You can find it on our website at www.techbrite.com. Once at our homepage, scroll until you see the TechBrite at a Glance catalog. Click the full screen button for easier viewing. Click to advance to the next page. Nearly all of TechBrite's standard products are located in this product overview catalog. If you see this US flag map, these products are assembled here in Cincinnati. If you see a check mark, these products are BAA compliant. Remember, generally speaking, our components are sourced in the US, giving us total control over our supply chain. That means we should have what you need. If you need lighting products, give us a call or visit www.techbrite.com. We had a little extra time on our hands, so we produced a new crap. Thank you for all the kind words and emails and phone calls asking about TechBrite and how we're doing. First, our employee, why did I do that? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Precautions, and not good. One of the things that has helped us is our stock of the products that are assembled right here in the US, right here in Cincinnati and Mac.